The pros and cons of leasing versus buying a car. Hey there, it's great to be talking to you again. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most common dilemmas when it comes to personal finance, whether to lease or buy a car. It's a decision that many people face, and it's not always an easy one to make. But don't worry, we'll be breaking down the pros and cons of each option to help you make an informed choice. So, let's get started. The pros and cons of leasing versus buying a car. Leasing a car. The pros of leasing. 1. You can drive a new car every few years. 2. Monthly payments are usually lower than buying. 3. You may spend less on maintenance and repairs. The cons of leasing. 1. You don't own the car at the end of the lease term. 2. Fees and penalties for exceeding mileage limits or excessive wear and tear. 3. No asset to show for the money spent on lease payments. Buying a car. The pros of buying. 1. You own the car outright. 2. You can drive it for as long as you like and sell/trade it in whenever you want. 3. More control over maintenance and repairs. The cons of buying. 1. Upfront costs can be significant, especially for a new car. 2. The value of the car will decrease over time. 3. Monthly payments may be higher than leasing initially. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of leasing versus buying a car. Ultimately, the decision to lease or buy a car will depend on your circumstances and preferences. If you value driving a new car every few years and want lower monthly payments, leasing may be the better option for you. However, if you want to own your car and have more control over maintenance and repairs, buying may be the way to go. Consider your budget, lifestyle, and long-term goals when making your decision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.